Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. What we discussed in our last period? We started our lesson number 5. What is the name of this lesson? The name of lesson is Notepad, right? How to open the Notepad? Yes, how to open the Notepad? Yes, click on the Start button, All Program, Accessories and then Notepad. And one more step to open the Notepad, then which it is, click on the Start button, then run, then write spelling of the Notepad and then afterwards open the Notepad. Now we will see here. Again what we discuss, it is Notepad window, right? Components of the Notepad window. First one is a title bar, then menu bar, this small blinking line is a cursor, and these three buttons are called as a control buttons. These three buttons are control buttons. What is the use of these control buttons? If you want to minimize, maximize or close the window, that time we are using these control buttons. And where is the control buttons? Yes, control button is on the title bar. Control button is on the title bar. Now next one is where we are writing. We are writing in text area, and there are two scroll bar. Which are they? Vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. Got it? Component of the Notepad window: title bar, menu bar, cursor, text area, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. We discussed this. Now in menu bar, there are different menus. Which are they? File, edit, format, view and help. In that we discuss about the file, how to save the file, how to open already exit file, right? How to save, how to open. Now next one is page setup, means by using page setup. Where is the page setup option? Yes, page setup option is on file menu, is in file, right? Is in file. And what is the use of page setup? By using page setup option, we can set the page size, orientation, margin. Means we can change size of this paper. Next, orientation of this paper means it is which orientation we want, means it is landscape or portrait. Next one is a margin, means we can adjust the page by left, right, top, down, and we can change the format of header and footer also. Now next one is to print document. Next option is print. We will see here, it is Notepad, right? And we are discussing about the file menu. New means if you want to take a new Notepad. Next one is open. What is the use of open? Yes, if you want to open the already exit file, that time we are using this open option. Save means if we want this file after 1 hour, after 1 week, after 1 day, after 1 year, that time by using save option we can get it whenever we want. Next one is a page setup and next one is print, right? Next one is print. The book you are using, it is not a handwritten book, right? It is written on computer, and afterwards after writing this, it is printed on one page by using printer, right? We discuss about the part of computer. What is the use of printer? If you want to get the computer written copy on the one page or one paper, that time we can use the printer, right? And that before that we have to click the print option. You can see here print, and by using printer we get the hard copy of this page. Now we will see about the print. Okay, then print. Then this type of window will be appear. Select the printer. Here printer is not connected, that's why it is showing send to OneNote 2010, right? If printer is connected, which type of printers are there? Yes, anyone remember which type of printers are there? Dot matrix printer, line printer, laser printer, inkjet printer. Which printer is connected to our computer? It is showing here. It will show here. And which page we want now to print? Means all pages. If there is a more than one pages, 2 pages, 3 pages, and we want to print this all pages, then we can select there all. See here, where is my cursor, where is my arrow? See here only. Page range. How many? All. If there is a more than one page and we want this all pages, that time we can click here all. If you want only current page, means already there are 4 or 5 pages, but we want only second number page, then also we can print only this second number page. And here number of copies, means suppose there are 4 or 5 pages. There are 4 or 5 pages and we want these 4 or 5 pages for 2 person. Means how many copies we want? 2, right? There, here we can write 2, and afterwards we can click here, afterwards we can apply here and then print. Okay, then this document will be printed what we wrote or which document we want. Now last option in file menu. See, what is it? Exit. What is the use of exit? Yes, this option is used to close the notepad window. If we want to close this window, that time we can click on this exit. This window will be closed. Got it? What is the use of title bar? Title bar display the name of notepad, name of file. Next one is a menu bar. In menu bar we discuss about the file menu. File menu having which option? File menu having new, then open, then save as, then page setup, print and exit. What is the use of save as? We discuss about save. But what is the use of save as? If my file is present in desktop, right? We created these 2 files, first and 5, right? My file is on the desktop and we want to keep the same file in C. Then how to do this? File save as. Where we want to save? In C. My computer in C drive, and we can save here. You can see here file name is save. So file name is same and save. Okay, the same file we can see in where? Yes, we can see in C also. You can see here. Okay, what is the use of save as? The same copy we can save. Next one, this in menu bar file is finished. Now we will see about the edit. What is the use of edit menu? Edit, undo. Firstly we will write something, then you can understand. I am student. I like I am student. I like school. What I have to write here? School. But by mistakenly my L is extra, right? But by using backspace also I can erase it, right? But in edit menu, if I press the undo, what I am pressing? Undo, then what will happen? These all will erase, right? These all will erase. Got it? Undo means which step, what we do now. If you want to go the step back, that time we can use this undo. Got it? Firstly we will correct the spelling. Now we will see. Next is cut. Why it is showing like that? Because if you want to do any effect, firstly we have to select. Suppose I want to cut this school, then firstly we must have to select it, then cut. We want to cut here, cut this school, and we want this downside, cut. And then afterward, for going to next line, which key is useful? Yes, enter key is useful. And then go again, where? Edit menu, and afterward paste. You can see here, cut and paste. Got it? Cut and paste. I want this school here also and here also. Then which option is useful? I want this school here also and here also. Then firstly we must have to select it. Afterwards click the edit menu and then copy. Go here and do once again paste. Then the school spelling is here also and here also. What is the use of copy? If you want to do the same thing, same word, same letter for more than one time, that time we can use copy and paste. If you want to do copy of this line, then also we can do. Firstly select it, then copy, and then afterwards good, paste. Next, if I don't want this, then by using which option? Delete option, we can delete it. Next one is find. If we want to find a particular word, particular letter, that time we can use this. If I want to find the I, then find. See here how many times I is there, they are showing. If I press here match case, then it is capital I or small I? It is capital I. That time it is finding only capital I. If I not click here, then it is finding all I. See here. Okay? What is the use of this match case? Got it? Next one option is replace. Suppose what is here? I. What we wrote here? I, and instead of this I, if we want to write we, what we have wrote here? What we have write here? We write here I, right? And instead of this I, if we want we, firstly what we have to find? I. Okay? And which word we have to write here? We. And replace. You can see here. It is replace. This I is replaced. Why? Because the spelling is L-I-K-E. We select here match case? No. We not select here match case. If we select here match case, then it replace only capital I. Otherwise, it replace all I. If it is capital, if it is small. Okay. We will select this match case, then replace. You can see here. This I is replaced by we. Got it? If we want to replace one single word or one single letter, that time we can use this replace option. We like school. Next, this replace finish. Now select all. For doing any effect, we must have to select word or sentence. If we want to do any effect in this word only, then we have to select this word only, right? But we want to give the all effect to all writing. That time go in edit menu and then select all. Then this all what we wrote, what we write, what we have write, this all will selected. We will see here. Undo. First one in edit menu. In edit menu, the following options are available. Now we have see this. Which option first? Undo. This option is used to undo the most recent changes. First, next one is cut. What is use of cut? Yes, it is used to remove the selected text from the file and paste it at some other place in the file using the paste option. Next one is a copy. The copy option is used to make a duplicate copy of the selected portion of the text, right? Next one is a paste. This option is used to paste the selected text at the different place. Next one is delete. What is the use of delete? Good. This option is used to remove the unwanted text from the file. Next one is select all. The option is used to select the full text at one go. If you want to select all what we wrote, what we write, that time we can use the select all option. Next one is time date. This option will bring the current time and date on the screen. We will see here. If I press this time and date, what you can see? Why it is showing here? Because my cursor is here. If I press this downside and now we will press here, then we can see current, time and date. What it display? It display the current time and date on the screen. Got it? Now next one, file menu, finish. Next edit menu also, finish. Next one is a format. When I click the format, you can see first one is a word wrap, next one is font. Format menu. This menu is used to format the text. If you want to format the text, that time we can use the format menu. In the format menu, the following options are available. Which options are available in format menu? Yes, first one is a word wrap, and next one is font. To use a word wrap option is a toggle option. It is used to wrap the text, type the text, click word wrap under format menu. And format and word wrap. Okay. Now next is font. What is the use of font? What is the use of font? This option is used to change the font, means font size also, font style also, type of handwriting. Font means what? Type of handwriting of the entire text in the notepad before printing. Means if we want to change this handwriting, change the handwriting means change the text of this what we write here, then we can change where? By using which option? By using in format and font. What is it? Font. These are, you can see here, when I click here the font is changing. See here. We will take it. Next one is a font style. Font style also we can change. Which font styles are there? Normal italic, regular. Italic means what? These are little bit slanted. Next one is regular. Regular means straight. Bold means these are dark. Next is narrow, bold, italic. Means if you want to both effect, bold also and italic also, that time we can take it. You can see the changes where don't see on this notepad. Why this changes is when I click the OK, then these changes will happen in notepad. See here only, you can see this sample. Next one, if I want only bold, then this bold. Italic means bold also and italic also. Bold means all bold, only bold. Again bold italic means bold italic. Next one is black, dark and size is also big. Next one is, you can see. Okay. Now we will take narrow, bold, italic. Here, Arial, then narrow, bold, italic, and we can change the size also. We can change the size also. You can see here, these are size, and we can, if you want small size, then we can take small. We will firstly take a small size. You can see here. Why it is small? Because we selected the small size. Now if you want to big size, 72 is biggest size here, and click OK, then you can see the changes. It is big. Got it? Use of which menu? Format menu. File, edit and format. Now we will save it. Now we will save this. How to save? Good. In menu bar, click on the file, then save. We already created one folder on desktop. What is the name of this folder? Second number, and we will save there only. notepad. We will give name notepad and then save. Where we can see this name? Here, notepad. Got it? And use of these control buttons. If you want to minimize the window, that time we can use the minimize button, maximize button and close button. Right? Now we will take one new notepad and we will write something in that. If you want to write ABCD, then which button we must have to use for writing ABCD? Keyboard having different button. Which button keyboard having? Different type of keys keyboard having. Which? Alphabet key, number key, letter key, alphabet key, number key, then function key, arrow keys, and last one is special keys. Right? We have discussed about the keyboard. Yes or no? Or forgot everything? No? Then good. Keyboard having different type of keys, alphabet keys, number keys or numeric keys, arrow keys. Arrow keys are also called as a cursor control keys. Next one is a function keys and special keys. Right? Suppose we want to write in notepad. We want to write alphabet. A to Z alphabet we want to write in notepad. Then which keys are useful here? Yes, by using alphabet key we can write. Suppose I want here some distance. After writing A, I want distance. Then which key is useful for giving distance or giving space? Good, space bar. Then write B. Afterwards C. Right? Up to Z we can write here. Next, if we want to write numbers here, then how to write? Now I want this cursor to the next line. Then which key is useful for giving cursor or taking cursor to the next line? Yes, which key is useful? Enter key. Then by using number key or numeric key, how many numeric keys are there? Two sides are numeric keys are there. Got it? If you want to write number, then that time numeric key is useful. And how to save it? Click on the file. Then afterwards we want to take a new file? No. We want to open already exit file? No. What we want to do? We want to save it. We want to save it. Then click on the save as. Already our folder is open. Now, right? Where is our folder? Desktop. Then what is the name of this folder? Second. And we will give name ABCD. And then click save. You can see here ABCD will come in title bar. Right? Next, if we want to write a rhyme, that time also we can use which keys? We can use alphabet keys. And how to open the notepad? Keep in mind how to open the notepad. Click on the start button, then all program, accessories and then notepad. And one more step to open the notepad. How to open? Click on the start button, then run and type the notepad. Okay? Now we discuss about our lesson number 5. Read this lesson. Okay? Thank you.